Welcome back to Luxury Motorhomes, where we explore the most powerful, most advanced, and most breathtaking homes on wheels in the world. Today's review is something truly next level. This is the 2026 GMC Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome, a massive rolling mansion built for those who want absolute dominance on the road without giving up comfort or presence. The first thing that hits you is the exterior, and there is no way to ignore it. This motorhome looks more like a military-grade luxury command vehicle than a traditional RV. The 6x6 drivetrain gives it an aggressive stance, with three heavy-duty axles and oversized all-terrain tires that instantly communicate strength and capability. The front fascia carries GMC's bold design language with a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and reinforced bumpers that feel ready for anything. High ground clearance, skid plates, and armored-style wheel arches make this motorhome look unstoppable, whether it is parked at a luxury campsite or rolling through rough terrain. What really separates it from everything else is the double-decker design. From the outside, you can clearly see the extended height, but it is handled in a way that still looks sleek and balanced. Large panoramic windows wrap around both levels, tinted for privacy while still allowing plenty of natural light inside. Integrated LED lighting runs along the body lines, giving it a premium glow at night. Power side steps, automated awnings, rooftop solar panels, and exterior storage compartments are all seamlessly built into the design. Every inch of the exterior feels purposeful, premium, and engineered for serious travel. Step inside, and the transformation from rugged beast to luxury residence is immediate. The main living area on the lower deck feels open, modern, and incredibly refined. Premium leather seating, soft-touch surfaces, and real wood accents give the interior a high-end residential feel. The ceiling height is impressive, and the wide-body layout ensures you never feel cramped. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, adjustable to match your mood whether you are relaxing at night or entertaining guests. The kitchen is positioned on the lower level and feels like something you would expect in a luxury apartment, not a motorhome. You get a full-size refrigerator and freezer, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and even a dishwasher depending on the configuration. The countertops are made from polished stone, offering durability and elegance. There is plenty of cabinet space with soft-close drawers, hidden storage, and smart organization. A large dining area sits nearby, perfect for family meals or hosting friends while on the road. The bathroom is equally impressive and designed to offer full residential comfort. It features a spacious walk-in shower with glass enclosure, rainfall shower head, and premium fixtures. The vanity includes a large mirror, integrated lighting, and ample storage for toiletries. A high-end toilet system, climate-controlled ventilation, and luxury finishes make the bathroom feel more like a hotel suite than an RV bathroom. Everything is laid out thoughtfully to maximize space while maintaining comfort. Moving to the sleeping areas, the GMC Double Decker truly shows its advantage. The upper deck is dedicated mainly to rest and privacy. The primary bedroom feels calm, spacious, and incredibly comfortable. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by padded walls, ambient lighting, and large windows that offer stunning views wherever you park. Built-in wardrobes, drawers, and overhead storage provide plenty of space for long-term travel. There is also a private seating area, perfect for reading or enjoying morning coffee with a view. Additional sleeping spaces are cleverly integrated, making this motorhome ideal for families or group travel. Guest bedrooms or convertible sleeping areas ensure everyone has their own comfortable space. Sound insulation throughout the motorhome keeps things quiet and peaceful, even when multiple people are inside. Now let's talk about performance, because this motorhome is not just about luxury, it is about power. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Double Decker 6x6 is powered by a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine designed to handle massive weight without stress. The 6x6 drivetrain delivers exceptional traction, ability, and control, especially in off-road or challenging conditions. Advanced suspension systems adapt to different terrains, keeping the ride smooth whether you are cruising on the highway or exploring remote destinations. Despite its size, driving this motorhome feels surprisingly confident. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and multiple camera views that make maneuvering easier than expected. Air brakes, reinforced chassis construction, and intelligent traction management ensure safety and reliability at all times. This is a vehicle built to travel anywhere, anytime, in total comfort. Technology is everywhere inside this motorhome. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and vehicle systems. Smart home integration allows you to control features through voice commands or mobile apps. High-speed internet, satellite television, premium sound systems, and multiple charging stations make sure you stay connected and entertained wherever you go. Climate control zones on both decks ensure everyone stays comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Now let's talk about pricing, because a motorhome like this sits at the top of the market. The 2026 GMC Double Decker 6x6 motorhome is expected to start at around $800,000, with fully loaded configurations easily crossing the $1 million mark. The final price depends on customization options, interior finishes, technology packages, and performance upgrades. This is not just a motorhome, it is a statement of lifestyle, power, and freedom. In the end, the 2026 GMC Double Decker 6x6 motorhome is designed for those who refuse to compromise. It delivers extreme capability, unmatched road presence, and true residential luxury in one unstoppable package. Whether you are crossing states, exploring off-grid destinations, or simply traveling in absolute comfort, this motorhome proves that luxury and power can exist together on wheels. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Motorhomes for more exclusive content like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast on wheels, and we will see you in the next video.